Gentlemen, welcome to Mantelligence. I'm here today with Larry and Beardy to talk about a hot topic.
We enjoyed Alex Costa's video about how to make men more attractive, which is why we were inspired to make this video about the top 5 habits that make men more attractive.
And because we want you to learn how to make your crush like you, we're going to tell you the number 1 habit that makes men unattractive.
Let's get started.
Number 5, a gentleman through and through.
Knowing how to look good isn't always about dressing well or having an intense physical care routine. The best habit a man can have is being a straight-up gentleman. A decent and respectful man doesn't need to worry about how to attract women, because being a gentleman is a turn-on for all women. If you're wondering how to make any girl fall in love with you, start by being nice and friendly to the people around her. Make it a habit to say a friendly hello and thank you to the people you encounter. She'll notice when you treat different people in the same way you treat her. Show kindness and respect at all times. The more you do this, the more natural it will look on you. When this becomes a habit, she will notice it and see that you're a good guy because you're a proper gentleman. It'll be easy for her to imagine you as a serious partner because she knows that you'll be good to her. Making a girl fall for you starts by being a good guy to her. If you want to know more ways how to make any girl fall in love with you, check out this video.
Number 4, working out works.
If you want to learn how to be more attractive, pay close attention here. Having a regular exercise routine helps you keep yourself healthy, your body looking toned, and your face bright and fresh. This is one of the best hobbies for guys because the body's the first thing women notice about you. When you keep your body healthy, it's easy to look good because everything else follows. When you work out, even your skin looks better. Exercising keeps you in a good mood because of the endorphins. When you establish your routine, it will naturally come to you like a habit. If you want to know how to look better, you can find new ways to exercise. Working out doesn't have to be just at a gym. You can try out new sports or activities that you can incorporate into your routine. A lot of men like playing basketball, but sports like tennis, golf, badminton, even swimming can help you get fit and healthy. Some men also like biking, hiking, and running. Try them out and find out what works best for you. Indeed, it may be a challenge at first, but you have to take it one day at a time. The best way to start is just to start. It takes practice to make something a habit, so even if it's difficult in the beginning, start anyway. If you're really determined to get the girl, you should make exercising a habit.
Number 3, dress to impress.
When you want to know how to impress a girl, then maybe it's time to revamp your style. Men's outfits are not usually difficult to style. Keep yourself updated with the latest fashion trends to make sure that you can incorporate those into your style. If you want to know how to be good looking, a great way to do so is to dress well. There are tons of posts and articles online that can help you find your style. You can even check Pinterest for the best fashion tips and great styles that you can try out. Experiment with different styles that would fit your physique well. Men's fashion trends are usually timeless and classic. Make sure you have a good suit and a nice white shirt and well-fitting pants. Besides those, you should have nice plain t-shirts for casual days and some collared button-downs and polo shirts for when you need to be a little more formal. Pay attention to what women like to see on you. Some girls will compliment you on a particular outfit you have, so take note of what they like. Plus, when you look in the mirror, you'll see what fits you best. And some guys like stripes, others like prints, and some like their outfits plain. But it's your call on how you'll style your outfits. Developing a personal sense of style can become a habit if you make an effort to dress well. Along with your clothes, accessories should also be part of your ensemble. Make it a habit to wear appropriate watches or jewelry with your outfit. It will make a huge difference, trust me. Well, we're almost at the end of our video, so make sure to stay tuned for you to find out the number 1 habit that makes men unattractive.
Number 2, clean from head to toe.
The best dating advice I can offer is for all of you guys to keep your hygiene on point. This is one of the habits women love, so make sure you make an effort to look decent and presentable. Find the best haircut for you and stick to that. You should also make sure that your facial hair is trimmed and neatly groomed. Some guys are iffy about using skincare products, but let me tell you that having a good skincare routine will push you over the edge against other guys. Putting on sunblock and moisturizer doesn't make you less of a man. Remember that. It doesn't stop there though. If you want to know how to be more confident, you should go beyond the face. Your clothes should also look presentable. Iron your shirts, guys. Any woman wants a man to keep his clothes neat. You should also keep your shoes clean and shiny. Wipe off those scuff marks and make sure they look good as new. I know these might not seem like much, but women notice these things all the time. If you're keen on getting the girl you like, looking like a neat man will increase your chances. It's not rocket science, guys. If you want to attract women, you should also check out these 10 habits women love.
Number 1, near even when you're far.
This last habit that makes men more attractive may not be appealing to all women, but I can't imagine it could hurt your chances. When a man is consistent in letting a woman know he cares, she'll appreciate his efforts. Guys, you should make your presence felt even when you're not there. You can do this by texting her and letting her know you're thinking of her. You can also call her and tell her that you just want to hear her voice, checking in and asking if she had dinner or if she's feeling better from her headache earlier that day. When a man cares, he will show it. It's a big turnoff for girls when a man doesn't text or call back. It's not cool for you to ignore her. In fact, it will ruin your chances with her because she will not feel you're really serious about her. Don't make it a habit. Instead, make being just a bit clingy a habit. Sometimes call her up just because, or if you can't be there with her, order some food or flowers for her. That way she'll feel like you really like her. It will only make you more attractive. It will also make her seriously consider you as a partner. Make this a habit and you will increase your chances of getting the girl. Also, when you do this, she will think you're genuinely concerned about her, especially if you ask her things about her life, family, work, and friends. It will show her that you're paying attention to her and that you care about what's going on in her life. Now that you know the habits that make men more attractive, guys, make sure that you remember all these habits so that you can get the girl you like. Actually, we ought to call this video Attractive Habits for Men 2021 because it's about time we all start doing them. But it's important that you also know the number one habit that makes men unattractive. A selfish man is an unattractive man. When you're used to putting yourself before others and before the girl you like, it immediately ruins your chances of being her boyfriend. When you are selfish, you will also put her needs aside just to accommodate your own. When that happens, she will feel that she has no value to you. A selfish man will also disregard other people's needs. If you're out with her friends or family and you insist on controlling the situation according to your needs, it will not help your case at all. Instead, it will push her further away from you. Plus, it will also reflect poorly on your character. Her family and friends will vote against you being her boyfriend. If she values them at all, she will also consider their advice and will eventually disregard you as a potential partner altogether. So if you want to get the girl, don't make it a habit of putting your needs before hers. Do you know any other habits that make men more attractive? Now you're all set with the habits that make men more attractive. Now it's up to you to practice these and actually make them habits. Gentlemen, your effort is what's going to make all the difference. Take note of these habits and take the first step into doing these in your daily lives. When you do these, the girl you like will definitely fall for you. If you want to know more ways of how to make any girl fall in love with you, check out this video.